Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP and I'm in the 4 hours time frame. You can see here. And if we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that chart is not that clean. Okay, unlike the Euro USD or any other trending chart, okay, this chart is not that clean. That doesn't mean that we do not have any opportunity here. Yes, we do have got opportunities in this chart also, but yes, this is not a chart that a trader would like to or trader dreams to trade. Okay, still, okay, let's find out what are the trading possibilities here. So if we just look at the chart, we can see that it is in a range right now. Okay, and we can see that there is a support here and there is the resistance line here. Okay, so if you watch my previous videos, then hopefully you're in a good profit right now, because if you remember correctly, and I mentioned that you'll be getting good opportunity to buy at this level, okay, and this level. Hopefully you made money at this level also, and you are in a good profit at this level also. Okay, so if you are in a profit right now, then well and good. Okay, if you want to come out, you can come out right now, because market is making small swings. If you want to come out, then you can come out. Okay, and if you're looking for a fresh trading position, okay, if you did not take position here, then what you should do, okay, you should wait for the market to come down to this price level again. See, overall considering this chart, okay, we have only two safe trading positions. First trading position is this. Okay, this is your first trading position and the most safe trading position. So wait for the market to come down to this particular level again, 0.8585. So when market will be coming down to this particular level, just observe the price. If you see that price is bouncing back from this level again, like previous times, you can go for a buy at this level. Okay, you can go for a buy at this level. Okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, price is bouncing off from this level. I'm not, or I'll not recommend to short at this particular level, because I would like to show you one thing. Okay, market made a high. Okay, so market made a high here. After that, market broke the previous high. Okay, and again market has broke the previous high. Okay, there is not much difference, but still market is breaking the previous highs. So this is not a proper resistance. That's why you should not short the market. If you short the market, then you can short the market at your own risk. I'll not recommend. This is not the safe position and not the good position to short the market also. This is the best position to go for a buy. Okay, this particular level, 0.8585, and the second best position on this chart is this level, 0.8719. This is your second best trading opportunity. Okay, this level. Okay, so right now we can see that current market price is far away from this particular resistance level. In case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up and hit this particular resistance level, then you can be sure that market will be reversing from this level. Okay, still you need to be very careful and observe the price. If you see that market has reached this particular level, then just see how the price reacts. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance level, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market and they will not allow the market to go up. In that case, you can short the market. Okay, once market reverses from here, you can short the market. You can short the market at this level. And as of now, market is in this range, so wait for the market to give you good opportunity at this level, 0.8585. Okay, so this is your first and the most safe trading opportunity in this Euro GBP chart, and the second position is this. Okay, apart from that, there are no good opportunities available in Euro GBP chart as of now. Okay, and if we switch to the weekly time frame, you know it pretty well that I'm a big fan of multi-time frame analysis. Okay, if we switch to the weekly time frame, okay, in the weekly time frame also there is no proper let's say no proper support or resistance level, or nothing important. Okay, nothing important is available to us as of now. So weekly chart is not that relevant right now. We just need to focus on these two price levels only. Okay, if you have made already profit in these price levels, okay, you'll be getting opportunity again. Okay, let the price come down to this particular level. When it will bounce back, go for a buy. That's it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.